Welcome back to New Mobile Goo. Today, Vivo has launched yet another budget-friendly smartphone, the Vivo T3 Lite, aiming to offer premium features at an affordable price. But does it deliver on performance, battery life, and camera quality? Let's find out. Design and display. The Vivo T3 Lite comes with a sleek design and a sturdy build, making it comfortable to hold. It features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, providing vibrant colors and decent brightness. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and a better gaming experience, a rare feature in budget smartphones. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Vivo T3 Lite is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with up to 6 GB of RAM. This combination offers smooth multitasking and decent gaming performance. It runs on FunTouch OS 14, based on Android 14, with some pre-installed apps but also plenty of customization options. Camera setup. For photography, the Vivo T3 Lite sports a 50 megapixels primary camera, delivering detailed shots in good lighting. The secondary AI lens helps with depth effects and enhancements. On the front, there's an 8 megapixel selfie camera, which captures clear selfies with natural skin tones. The camera app also offers AI beauty mode and night mode for improved low-light performance. Battery and charging. The device is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without issues. It supports 18W fast charging, which isn't the fastest but still efficient for quick top-ups. With optimized power management, the Vivo T3 Lite is a great option for users who need long-lasting battery life. Connectivity and extras. For connectivity, it includes 5G support, dual SIM slots, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security. The phone also retains a 3.5mm headphone jack, a plus for many users. Conclusion. The Vivo T3 Lite is a strong contender in the budget segment, offering a smooth display, decent performance, and solid battery life. While the camera setup and charging speed may not be the best in class, it's a great value for money option. If you're looking for an affordable 5G smartphone, this one is worth considering. That's all for today's review. Stay tuned to New Mobile for more updates on the latest smartphone launches.